I love you.
Why are you recording?
What the heck? I think maybe it's leading you somewhere. They're everywhere. Look at all these eggs. These are the biggest eggs I've ever seen.
Mine's already filled up.
Oh my god. How in the hell did this Easter bunny lay those giant eggs? Magical.